Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can get Roblox gift cards for free. You're going to head over to your default browser. Once you reach over to this page, you're going to search Breezy coupons. Now once you are brought over to this page here, you need to select the first option that you find. Once you select the first option, you'll be brought to this page, and as you can see here, there are a wide range of gift cards that you can get for free using this app, meaning that this does not necessarily mean that you get Roblox gift cards only. So under this window, we'll go to the search bar and search for Roblox. So we will be brought to this page here, and as you can see, it's the only one that is being listed here. You're going to click on this link here, and you can see the wide range of coupons available. And as you can see here, the $100 option is already given out, and the $200 one is already out of stock. So the only one that is left is this one for $25 coupon, which is available at which gives you $25 free gift card. So as you can see, there are only 590 slots left, so you need to hurry quick before these chances end. And as you can see, there are very few in this website, so you're going to click on this show gift code. Now as you can see here, my code has already been started to be generated, but in order for you to receive the full code, you're going to select on this unlock code here. And what this will basically do is to bring you to this page where you will need to perform some certain tasks in order for you to be eligible to get that $25 gift card, which you will find out that you will get very easily. So all you need to do is to perform only two tasks here. As you can see here, you only requires, your gift card requires that you do only two tasks to be unlocked. When all requirements are met, press unlock. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to download two apps here. Let's say Alibaba or New Version Bible. Once it gets over to your profile, all you need to do is to run the apps for 30 seconds as you have been told in the taskbar. You need to run the apps for some certain period of time. So once you do that, you will head over back to this page here, and all you need to do is to refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, your code will be automatically brought to you, and that is simply how it's done. Now after you've already redeemed your coupon, you should only copy that coupon and you should head over to the Roblox app or website, and you're probably wondering where you should key in your code. You're going to press here on more, and you're going to select on gift cards. Basically, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this, and then you're going to simply select a redeem card, and you should be good to go. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing.